Gabe Kennedy is coming to cook with me today.
For the record, I am a lefty. We'll be like,
That's okay. He's a lot of fun to cook with.
my name's Gabe Kennedy, and I'm playing this or that. Chanterelles or morels? Ooh, chanterelles. Winter or summer? Oh, these are tough. I'm choosing summer. I can wear less clothing and get more sun. Also, the produce is just firing off. If I'd rather be really, really cold or really, really hot, I'm choosing really, really cold. I hear when you're really, really cold, you kind of get euphoric, whereas if you're really hot, it's just miserable. Tea or coffee? I want to be a tea guy, but coffee. Raspberries or blackberries? Blackberries. They're just oh so juicy. Pepper or salt? Salt. I have it tattooed on my wrist. It's essential for life. It also elevates and makes flavors come to life. Fine dining or home cooked? 9 out of 10 times, I'm doing home cooked. And then every now and then, I love a little fine dining. Who doesn't? Forks or chopsticks? I'm going chopsticks. Way more delicate, much less aggressive. Why do you have to stab the food? I can only have one herb to use for the rest of my life. Basil, because there's so many varieties. Or mint. Mint is really good too. I could take either and be happy. Sweet or savory? I'm a savory guy. But some people think I'm sweet.
Now we're cooking.